So our focus more is on the ground rules because we want this hearing proper to be as organized as possible, no? Kasi kapag ka magulo, hindi maiintindihan yan ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Pero kapag ka orderly siya, organized siya, alin bang uunahin mo? Mga witnesses ba o documentary evidence pa? Do we do it per ground? Things like that, no? Meron tayong mga pending request, petition, and concern which we need to thresh out first before we proceed to the presentation of witness and evidence.
I think we have to clarify our legal system. In our legal system, it is not for the accused or the respondent in this case to explain her side. It is for the complainants to actually show first, no, na meron talaga silang basihan sa mga paratang nila. And if that explanation will come, it will probably be in the full-blown trial, hindi ba? So right now, maaga pa nandun pa lang tayo sa determination of probable cause.